Sisters wa Kimani, karibiani kwa haraka sana. I want to do the tributes. Na kama kuna mtu, niko na tribute za familia peke yake. Kama kuna mtu yote ambaye kuna tribute na hakuwa amewekwa kwa list, this is your time, kwa sababu tukimaliza turudi. So we are going to have the tribute ya sister wa Kimani, and then mother, and ya mwisho itakuwa ya our dad. Alright? So kwa heshima na taadhima naomba tunyamaze sisi wote.
Sasa msonge.
Fortune, you're supposed to be there. Microphone.
Kika hapo msonge. Wewe ni toje? Mary. Mary. Songeni. Songeni.
So mabibi na mabwana, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls,
we shall forever hold memories of a hero who fought in a great battle in silence. Mine is to give a tribute to my beloved brother, Kimani Mbugua, a lovely soul that was loved by many. And today, my heart goes to everyone battling with mental health, silently or even openly. When I first heard about the condition my brother was diagnosed with, bipolar disorder 1, my heart and body was in denial and never wished this to happen to any of my brother. It came as a shock to us, and for sure, we thought it would get better as Kim got medication. Some sort of relief and joy would be there, whatever, but it would fade away in a few days or weeks because of the countless number of relapses he got through his journey of battling with mental condition. This broke us as a family, but not a single day we ever gave up on Kim. All the roller coasters of emotion began back in 2020. But for me, the real brother I knew left on the year 2018. Kimani battling the condition made him take another path in life that has left our hearts in pain and agony. Growing up, Kim taught me and my sisters to always work together without mama, and would always quote Philippians 2 verse 14 that says, "Do all things without murmuring and disputing." And now we are left with memories of how we could laugh at the things you did when you couldn't recognize a thing, and a cheerful soul that would fill the room with laughter and joy wherever you are around. Memories of how great you were in studies, how perfectly you tackled the journalism career that got you into the limelight, and the cheerful smile that you left to all who knew you. You will forever be missed and deeply loved by us and many Kenyans who loved you. I know there are so many Kenyans who mocked my brother. I used to go through his TikTok comments, and most of them insulted him, and he would break down. Most of the relatives I used to see him, we would talk in the morning, and the next minute, he can't handle a thing. Atusemi kitu, whoever laughed at my brother, Mungu akuone. But many thanks to all TikTokers and all Kenyans who stood with my brother. It is God who gives, and it is God who takes. Today, you are sleeping until this beautiful morning Kim. I long to see you when Jesus comes again, because I believe I will see you. Tell me.
all right. gentlemen, can we appreciate Sister to Kimani? Pili makofi pole pole tu. Thank you. So, kwa mpangilio huu naomba tribute ya mama na mwenye anamsaidia akaweza kusindikishwa hapa mbele. DJ. Naomba tuletewe mama na mwenye anamsindikisha. Uko sawa? Okay, karibu mami. Ladies and gentlemen, can we appreciate our mama? Tupigeni mama yetu makofi mazuri.
Sijui kwa nini hawakuniandikia, lakini nikisema tu kwa kila mtu, hamjabuni. I think it's all that all of you have come. It has been a battle. It's too painful to lose my firstborn and the only son. Many times I've been in the prayer houses. We have been praying. Mount Kenya Station, women, I thank you. Usione kama tumelose. Last time we talked with Kimani, she told me, Mom, come for me. I told him, if I'll be given permission by Sonko, you know, this time he said, familia tukae kando kidogo. And then I told Kimani, I'm looking for a job anywhere else out of Kenya. And it's God that she had gone. And all of a sudden, he felt that he won't work there. And she came back. All of a sudden, the flight of Sharon was cancelled. I don't know what was happening. All of a sudden, my phone broke down. I could not communicate. I used to communicate with Mama Amina. And then my phone broke down. I got a lot of problems. I don't know where this problem came from. I work somewhere there. I have a small job. You know, when I saw Kimani, the way we are battling with him there, we were staying in Thika town. And then I decided to come back in the village. I said, you know, that me, I will go back to the village. I forget all this. I'll join my village people because now I don't know where we are heading to. And when I came back here, I started a small job there. And Kimani would come here. I think the motorbike people, the motorbike villagers, may God bless you. He used to go to move around there, and those motorbike people will cut them and bring them there, bring him here. Everybody who was near Kimani was willing to help me. I thank everybody. I thank Obina too. I remember when Obina came to Thika, I told Obina, me, I'm not a sitaki publicity. Most people would say that Kimani only have a dad. Kimani have a very loving. Him being my firstborn and my only son, I love to listen. We could talk. I saw a note. He wrote when he was there. Mom, I miss you. I don't know how we are going to meet. When I saw that, note, I felt so bad that we did not meet you, and so many problems came. They were taking us apart with each other. But I thank God, all of you who have been with us in this journey. May God bless you. May God bless you. I don't have a lot to say. Let me just say, God bless you all.
All right. Thank you. Can we all show love by appreciating our mom? Tupige makofi makubwa. Now, I want to invite Dad with a very special and little story of Kimani, Mbugua.
Family, everybody. When you look around here, you can see a heap of side sitting on a bed of things here. It's so surprising to me when I was 29 years old. I had already done my graduation when I was 33. And at 26, I had already constructed a school of the Seminary Adventist Church worth around 11 million. It is no longer there. Then I came here at that age of 28, 29. I had a school here, boarding school for both boys and girls, a high school and a primary school. But at the age of 29, all was destroyed. When I see this home, I always ask God, what is this? My son has left me when he's 29 years. The date he rested on 14th of October. In the same date, I closed a school worth 31 million and left this place. It has given me a heavy shock. Those who saw me yesterday borrowing the media station, the Citizen Television, I think I had all the right to say so, because that is the prime time when also I was growing up and my life also came down, and the rest is history. So my tribute to this, my son is this. Why was I walking with him day and night? Because I knew at that time I needed parental support. Unfortunately, my dad was not alive. My mom was not alive. They were crying, support me. So I knew what is to live without a parent. And I know myself, I'm a genius. I have studied now. So I knew the kind of seed I have is just a super genius person, studying very well. So I had to give all the best a father can give to a son, even to the sisters, and to make him achieve his goals. Because mine were destroyed at 29. So bila mzee huangalia boma yake anaona hapa kuna mambo inaenda sijielewi. But I said, God, I'm alive. The part which made me to feel completely crushed, he had written to the mom, and also there's a part he had also written to me, that Dad, I know you have stood with me. I've struggled with this body. You have done all you can. But my body and mind are not adding up together. So I am tired. And I have chosen to rest. And the rest is no policy. I said, I wish I had wings to fly that day you were deciding that. Because to me, I've lost a real brother. He's my son, but he was a brother to me. Fathers, listen to this. He is the only human being I would call, bro, can we go? And say, hey, bro, matok. And I'm the dad. When I would see him in those conditions for those 5 years, I was always cheering him up. I was telling him, hey, Kim, cowboys never die. And if they die, they never decay. And if they decay, they never smell. And if they smell sweet. So don't give up. So every morning you tell me, hey, my fellow cowboy, are we moving or not moving? So I want to tell parents here that it is a very strange thing in my history that at the age of 29, I destroyed all development. And at the same age, our only boy has gone. Deep in my soul, this school was to make young people, and thank God that some of them who have been here, whom I've taught. They are lecturers in the university, and many others are out of the country. But they left their teacher as a candle that burns and gives light and melts. But I've said, God, no, I won't melt. So due to the memory of my son, I've decided, by the grace of God, thanking our Governor Sonko, young man Obina, this place was dedicated for education. I will not stop to kusumbua Obina and Governor Sonko and Mama Amina. I'm dedicating the same space with immediate effect. Mimi nimeitoa ile shule ilikuwa ya kufundisha high school, turudishe a rehab with immediate effect, so that we may not lose other young men and women in this place. Watu wa hapa Kenjurini, watu hapa Mugmoini wanajua hii shule, ninawapenda sana, ninashukuru sana. Hata ndio walikuwa wa kwanza kuembrace. It was called Saint Joseph, but I'm changing the name to Saint Kimani. So expect us to work as a team. I thank the DO who is around here, Osia, recognize you, our DO, good neighbor here, our councillor. Let us all the money we have, we bring it here, so that by January we put a foundation and rescue, because the distance from Mombasa to Murang'a is almost 400 kilometers. But I thank Mama Amina and your team. Mmekubali mkoa na governor kuja kutushika mkono watu wa Murang'a. Wacha nikwambie bwana Dio. Saa hii ukiuliza nani alioja maji inakaa uchungu na anavumilia na inamterezesha hapa, wengi watatoroka kule nyuma, lakini sio hao. Because I know what kind of drugs we have around here. Kuna bagi, kuna pombe na kuna mambo mengi. Na vijana wengi hapa ni wale wanaweza soma. Kwa hivyo ndio nimeamua kwa penzi ya Mwenyezi Mungu, ile tulifanya TikTok, ndugu Chris and my son here, the TikTokers. Let us now focus on rescuing the young people. Kwa maana tumepata wafadhili. Dr. Sonko namshukuru, alikuwa a PhD in honorary of supporting the communities. Na kwa sababu wamekuja kutuokolea na walikuwa wanatuokolea, mimi nimetoa shamba. Na nataka ujitoe. These are our pastors from the church, and I know they will support us. Mimi afadhali nisimamisha walimu wote, we focus on saving our young people's lives, ili tusipoteze Kimani wengine huko nje ambao wanasumbuliwa na hizo vitu huko. The first day we took him to Avenue Hospital, tuliangalia na mama, tulipoona bill reading 660,000 na ni shindano moja tu mbili. So it was difficult for us to go that journey. Gari zilikuwa zikaenda, biashara zikasimama, unachanganyikiwa, unakaa mgoroki ambaye hajui kuwa ni wapi na anaenda wapi. Obina, thank you very much for the tears you have cried here. They were real tears. I know what you are saying. Hao vijana wanaonekana maua kule kwa mapicha, si ni ukweli? Lakini inside they are bleeding. I knew when I was saying that Citizen Television, I still start to challenge them. When this young man was waking up in the morning, kuuliza watu wa Dieko and broken news, he was coming home very tired. Waking up at 3, preparing the cameras and doing all that. So that's why I said there's a gap somewhere. And that's why I'm calling the church, the community tushikane. Hapa tufungue ile St. Joseph, irudishe ikuwa St. Kimani ya kuokoa vijana katika mambo ya mihadarati na mambo ya pombe. Naye Mama Amina atoke kule Mombasa. Mama Amina, tafadhali, hata hapa najua Waislamu mnaweza olewa na mabwana, ni mabibi wengi, whatever, I don't know it is. Hata tukiomba wasirudi, si ni ukweli Hii magari yote hii tuachiwe huku, tuanze kazi ya rescue, si ni ukweli? Hii nyumba mimi kuhama na mamia tukae hapa. We can start with this one. Bwana Chief, Bwana OCS, vijana walete waanze matibabu ya haraka iwezekanavyo, si ni ukweli ndugu zangu? Wangapo wanafurahi wakiona vijana huko wanatembea, wanaanguka gashamale, na ubaya ni yule mtaona mimi ni wa hapa. Na wale tutakutana nyinyi mkitogoga huku hivi. Afadhali bwana OCS ni kuitia usiwafunge, lakini tuwatafutie kazi ya kufanya wakuwe more committed, because I know there is a lot to do. Nimeachwa na my brother, to me was okay. We were born, many of us, but hii boma huku ukiangalia na huko kulikuwa ni good, but now we are narrowed down to just zero. Why should we age just like that? So community come out, tusimamisha a good rehab, na mimi nimemkubali Governor Sonko kwa hii boma, na nimeshukuru vile ndugu yetu hapa. Mimi sina pesa za kurudisha kwao, yetu tu ni kuwaombea Mungu awafungulie njia. Mimi nimewakaribisha huku kwetu Maragwa, Mungu Moine. Mungetaka Governor Sonko awe na kaboma huku? Mko serious? Leo akule madizi na akule makorofia ya huku. Governor wageni. Sasa waheshimiwa kama huyu vijana, wasichana, mnaona hiyo ni broti na si ndio? So Governor, mimi mwenyewe kama baba ya Kimani tumekukaribisha. Na it's serious. Governor Sonko lazima tutafuta kaproti hapa ununue haraka kajengo. Unapotembea kule Mombasa, unakuja hapa Murang'a, na wewe uko na hii Kawamonyoro kidogo yetu huku, tunakuja kukuona. Hao mama wote najua wanakupenda. Ama sio ukweli? Kwani hamsemi kwangu ukweli ama sio ukweli? Kweli. Haya, na wazee sisi ndio tutajua tutafanya. Nashukuru sana serikali, kijana Obina naye vile hiyo machozi amelia hapa. Hayo machozi huyo kijana amelia hapa. Tutampanguza kwa kuwasupport. Tuwajengee mahali watakuwa wanakuja, watoa watoto Nairobi waleto wapi? Huku kuna matunda mingi, ni kama Canaan. Kitaka makodo, kitaka mabizi, kitaka nini, matunda iko kila mahali, ni ukweli. So tuwakaribishe. Mimi nimefungua milango, ninyi mmefungua wakuje. Ate nego kana tigo. So kwa hayo mengi ninashukuru sana leo tumeshikana. Kwa hivyo Governor Sonko, OCS na ndugu Obina, thank you very much for coming to cry with the people of Murang'a. This is the Maragwa you have been hearing about. Tunakaa kwa bush kama mabushmen, kwa madizi mingi na our rescue center. Kwa hivyo naomba kwa niaba yangu wasitoke hapa bila madizi. True or false? Yale yameiva kwa kona na msiwauzie, nilipishwe. Hiyo maligo yote mmelida na huko nyumbani mlete yote hapa wakule na wasitoke hapa. Hiyo lunch wametayarishwa na our friend mheshimiwa, tumewaalika. Lakini hapa bwana wa grave maligo wakule. Wakule mandizi na vijana wa TikTok. Thank you very much because nilipopiga duru mmekuja, kwa hivyo sioni haraka ya kwenda. So I thank you people once again and all, and I have said that Mungu awabariki. Na hata kama unaona ni ile kiherehere yangu nataka itoe hiyo hasira ndani yangu. Na naomba tushirikiane na tushikane mkono wa mama na watoto na vijana, tuokoe maisha yetu. Na Bwana awabariki sana.